So we're going to start off the workout with 4 sets of 8 to 10 barbell bench press. And we're going to go right into 4 sets of 6 to 8 dumbbell seated shoulder press. Superset, which is going to be 12 dumbbell lateral raises. Then you're going to drop one of the dumbbells and do 10 dumbbell front raises. Incline machine chest press. This is a plate loaded one. Finish off the workout with 4 sets of 12 assisted tricep dips.
If you've been following any of my content for a while, you know that I'm a big fan of the minimalistic style workouts. I don't like the big laundry list of exercises to get through. I find it can be quite overwhelming and daunting, and you're already a little bit defeated before you even begin the damn workout. So having anywhere between like 4 to 6 exercises per workout is perfect. So she's got bench press, the horizontal push, a vertical push, and then an incline. So she's got 3 compound pressing exercises. Yeah, that's pretty good. I would love it. I would personally probably just drop one of them, and then whatever one I drop, I would do on another day. But regardless, it's still a fantastic way to do it. And then lateral raises into front raises is a bit of a superset thing. Yeah, I don't think the front raise stuff is necessary. You can just stick with just doing lateral raises. The front delt gets plenty of work from those previous 3 other exercises, but regardless, it's not a massive deal breaker. So lateral raises in there, and then something for the tricep. So really you can have kind of like 2 compound pushing exercises, horizontal and vertical, some sort of lateral raise, something for the tricep. That's a fantastic, well-rounded push workout. That's very minimalistic. You should be able to get it done within an hour. You tick a lot of boxes. I love it. Great job.